The point of discussion for today's session is digital storytelling, and we will be talking about and discussing about the PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint to create a digital story. Here we will be adding some of the animations for certain simple characters to move from one place to another, and how these things can be used for making a digital storytelling. So let's start. For this, I have already open my this thing, the MS PowerPoint. Here you can see that the storyline that I want to create, or a scene that I want to create, is related to a park. So I have searched an image of a park and pasted it here. Similarly, a ball and a girl. So the scene that or the image that I want to create for my digital storytelling will be like a girl is kicking a ball at the park. So what I did is, number one, I have searched these three image: number one girl, number two ball, and number three park from Google. Right? Since I have only pasted them all here, I will now tell you how to create a scene out of it, and how to add animation so that this girl can kick this particular ball. So, very first thing, what I will do, I want this particular park as the background. So, I will click in on it and extend it for my full screen, that is the full slide. I have stretched that this particular image to fill my slide, and as soon as I will do that, you can see that nothing, the remaining images, one of ball and one of girl, they have disappeared. So for that, I will click on format and will go at send backward. I have two options, send backward and send to back. I will click on send to back, and as soon as I will click on send to back, these other two images will get start visible. Now we can easily conclude that there is a park where there is one ball and there is one girl. So what I want this ball to be kicked by this girl. So there, since there is no background, so I am using this particular ball as it is, and I am keeping it here so that this girl can kick this particular ball. Now what I want this particular ball in place of this ball. So what do I have to do? I just have to crop this particular image. I will click on crop, this crop, and then I will crop this image as much as I want. This is the image that I'm cropping it to suit my need. So this is how it will look like. Now if I will keep this particular image here, so I will keep, if I'll keep this particular image here, it will look like that from somewhere else I have pasted, because it has white background. So I want to delete this background. So what I will do, as I have clicked it already, as soon as I will click, I will have these options. Here I will click on remove background. Now they will ask you two options: mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove. So it is better to click on mark areas to keep. When I will click on this thing, all those things that I want, as you can see, the purple color, it shows that all these things will not be visible, and as soon as I will click, they will start get visible. Since I want only this the body of the girl to get visible, so I will just click everywhere, so that all the things, at all the places where I can see this purple color, I just click on all these things to visible, to get them visible, so that each and everything, the perfect posture of this particular girl will be visible. Now as you now you can see, except the posture of the girl, nothing is in purple color. So I will click it here. Now you can see that now this girl has come, and it is looking much better as compared to the previous version, where there was a background added to it. So this is the scene now we have created. Now the main task of our presentation, of our topic, is to add the animation. So as I told you, since my storyline of this scene is this girl is kicking the ball, so what I have to do, I have to add animations. What I will do, since I want this ball to get kicked off, so I will click this ball. As soon as I will click, there are again number of options at my toolbar. I will click on animations. Then I will click at add animation. There are a number of things you can see here. There are a number of options. You can go at anything. You can choose any option. As of now, I am going at more motion paths. These all are the options that you can choose to move a particular person or a character from one place to another. Whatever you will choose, it will, that particular image will move in that way. So for example, I want this ball to go like this. That is how it will get kicked. So for this, for example, I am choosing this option, turn down right. See, this is how it will move, but I do not want to go this way. Rather, I will choose turn up. See, this is how it will move. But here I wanted my ball to move like this. I do not want my ball to move like this. So what I will do, I will just click on OK. Now here you can see there are two balls. One ball is in complete sense in the sense complete color, and one is in blur motion. This blur position is showing that after the adding of this particular animation, where this particular ball will go. So I want my ball to go from here to here after kicking. So what I will do, this particular rectangle is showing my motion path. So I will just turn or click on this particular triangle from this position to this position. Now as you can see here, the ball, the previous position of ball was this and the new position is this. Again, this particular square is showing the motion path. As you can see, there is a dotted background which is showing how this particular ball will move. This particular triangle shows the initial path or the starting of the transition, and this will show the end point of the transition. We can also do one thing, we can also adjust it. If I want this ball to go till here only, it will go like this only. Since this ball is looking somewhere away from this girl, so I am just adjusting it. So this is how I have added one animation at one time related to this ball. So let's have it slideshow and let's see how will it move. I'm clicking, see, this is where ball has moved. I'm doing it again. This was the initial position and I just wanted to show that the girl kicked this ball. This is how the ball has moved. So accordingly, you can add number of animations, number of transitions in which you can add any motion path or anything to move from one place to another. So let's try it and have much more creative scenes for your story. Thank you.